If you're wanting to know what's new with the 2024 Bajaj Pulsar N250, then this is the video you should be watching. The 2022-23 N250 lacked a few things where the motorcycle looked a little smaller compared to a 250cc. So that is the reason why Bajaj launched the 24 model with some certain updates. Wherein the first update, if we see, now we see these nice chunky 37 mm UHD forks. Secondly, if you see the vinyl work is completely different and completely nice. You get three new color schemes too. This bright red color with the golden UHDs, which look really nice and which has really good character. The weight of the motorcycle is around 164 kgs, so it's a pretty light motorcycle. Now you finally get traction control, but this traction control can only be switched off during off-road mode. You also get a 140 mm fatter rear tire. The wheelbase is also now shorter. As I told you, you also get 3 riding modes, plus now you get a full LCD display out here, as you can see. And I'll just show you all the 3 riding modes. So if I double click on this button, it goes to rain, and if I double click again, it goes to off-road. So in off-road, as I told you, the traction can be switched off, but in the other modes the traction cannot be switched off. So I'll take this back to road, I'll just switch this off, and the ABS sensitivity changes according to the mode which it is in. You now get Bluetooth connectivity and navigation features. Plus, if you see the LCD display, you get a gear position indicator, you get the fuel gauge here, obviously the speedometer and the RPM gauge. It's all digital now. You get a USB charger here in front of the tank. The fuel tank capacity remains the same, and now the engine is E20 compliant. The motorcycle weighs 164 kgs. It also has a decent ground clearance of 165 mm, and the seat height sits at 800 mm. By the way, I am 5'10". You get dual channel ABS as standard, and as you can see, now you get petrol discs and calipers are of Grimeca. The tires, if you see, are also of MRF. If you see the engine, you get the 249cc engine, which is air oil cooled, which has 2 valves, giving around 23-24 PS of power and 21 Nm of torque. If you see the exhaust here, the exhaust also is kind of a stubby exhaust, and if you want, I could give you all a feel of how it sounds. So that's how the stubby exhaust of the 2024 N250 sounds. Talking about the pricing, the prices have also gone up by only rupees 1000. So that's one great news with the kind of features that have now been added to the Pulsar N250. The engine cover cowl also gives the motorcycle a pretty premium and sporty feeling. As I told you, you get 3 exciting colors with the N250, and here, as you see, is the red color that we shot on with the golden UHDs, and here is the all black one in between, which has complete black UHDs too. So it's like a complete black themed motorcycle for all the black fans there. And one interesting thing is the all white shade, wherein it gets this blue kind of vinyls and the golden UHDs, which look really extraordinary. The ride review of this motorcycle plays live on the 13th of April at 4 p.m. So don't forget to tune in to hear how this motorcycle feels like. So this was the walk-on review of the all-new 2024 Bajaj Pulsar N250. Let me know in the comment section, how did you find this motorcycle, and now do you think it is a complete package wherein it gets more meatier plus a little more bigger with all the complete features? I would love to know your thoughts. What do you feel about this particular motorcycle? If you like the video, do subscribe, share it with all your friends, and let them know about this super duper motorcycle. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. Do take care of yourself and your families. This is BikerDaadLife signing off. See you. Bye-bye.